yen some the yaka. Oga say to me be any ho. Ah? Oga say to me be any ho hwi ni ho. You will be say simple as that. Ah? And you true. And you true say ejumaden and this kaba. Ba wo bi o say ejumaden as scanning mother. Ah? You only me see akwa spiritually. Who need sani mtia na je din enta me teach ya, me teach me level. Je minimum na ma kire. Ade a wonni wonni mtia no. Me metra kasa abrofo no kure nim se ade ma wo ho. Aha, to me wo ho papa.
Mate, you be say Moses say common sense. So in your spiritual problem, I'm fine.
Any spiritual problem they are can't one. We don't deal with spiritual problem or just all your spiritual problem. Why of us
this a spiritual problem or common sense?
There is a human day in this say you're spiritual spirit to be a how be. It is open up catch and say spirit to be a hana. One go catch any plan say that their spirit in free now. I have one and one. And I say and I'm
you say Moses say common sense. So in your spiritual problem, I'm fine.
Any spiritual problem they are can't one. We don't deal with spiritual problem or just all your spiritual problem. Why of us
this a spiritual problem or common sense?
There is a human day in this say you're spiritual spirit to be a how be. It is open up catch and say spirit to be a hana. One go catch any plan say that their spirit in free now. I have one and one. And I say and a medical can say you have spiritual understanding. Obviously, a young Bible. I'm saying, say, you didn't see one house or them one. Get the phone, you know. And and to which when you meet more and you would see near my wall and then somebody to me be any option. Ah? Oh, I said to me be any or she knew you will be as simple as that. Ah? And you true say ejumaden and this kaba. How more you say ejumaden as scanning mother. Ah? You only me see akwa spiritually. Who need sani mtiana? Je din enta me teach ya, me teach me level. Je minimum na ma kire. Ade a wonni mtia no. Me metra won kasa abrofo no kure nim se ade ma wo ho. Aha, to me wo ho papa. Spiritual one, they are some spiritual one, they are some simple answer. Emit there. Pastor, woman, I can't kill Leopold letter. No. Emit there. Say, kill Leopold letter. Obi catch us said to me be in the wow boy. Obi catch us said to me in the wow boy. You won't be near Mupita. And so, it me for be. A conforba on by a mamre, na body naba. Ye bo bidia asofo nyina ye bo mudia da akwadane no abosomfie. Nature in its own intelligence emma ebinum gift ya omode tete ahaban sa yade ye wo mamuni ahaban ne kasa nanse asofo na sua new trick bi omo chai pie omo nya new trick sofo ne so nipa ne team no chai ne pe na honhom bi aba ne so na ne nyina no nanse aba TV so Ningina no, bro, nipa ne beka no eye ni fie amamre mo nkoye ma no. Se mo steady a. No waka, ne ye busum we, mo nya asese gu amame na mo nkum odwan na mo nyesi, na sofo ne se koy. Eye ahaban yo. Ye mu bebrebra ye bre nyina ye fie tumi. Ene ma wo kopani ase wo fie tumi na ama wo bre no. Ye nana no mu gya tumi ne ku ho no a, tumi no ne ho kire no no. Ene wa ma echiri ma ne bre. Se de be ko bia na ye beka se koye na amamre ma no ma ahonya den ento. That's our problem. The nature in its own intelligence. Emma Obimu, the gift here almost solve spiritual problems. Enye send 100 Ghana, na beji 2,004. Now 2,000, I mean 100 na calculation baby. So auntie, ya wamua omo da field no. Me ni ho. Me bia ne ye de metu me prove no ti. Nature emma omo yes adwuma no. Aha. Ti.
there is difference. What do I say? I call a catcher common sense for say common sense for no, it's nothing. We have a bunch of more than a kind was common sense is nothing. What I say? Aha. Also common sense is nothing. Who they said chin in the maze.
After common sense, where you need to upgrade. Mr. Common sense, no, and you know say you are a member of common sense and no. There are things ahead that common sense is not teaching you. Listen and listen carefully. Mr. Mechanical, common sense, you find your idea and a money now, money. And it's a true common sense, not over your conscious, that the rest depend on you is to develop your soul. Mr. Mechanical, common sense is not giving us anything. Common sense is not teaching us anything, and common sense is not giving us anything in this world. But common sense, na anya catch on, a word for the good judgment. Ain't say Sylvester ever common sense, or because Sylvester ever common sense, and my brother, my sister, let me tell you the truth. Whoever you are listening to me today, there are some things, whether you believe it or not, it doesn't change it. Mutiana mekano crash them acronym. I see you. No cranienka. There are some things may say whether you believe it. Men na me see me are taste to Abraham Ben Moshe me boss and our sister obey are taste to. There are things whether you believe it or not, it doesn't change it. There is spirituality and there is spirit in this world. You can choose to be an atheist. You can choose to be a Christian. You can choose to be a common sense member. We are dealing with what? Spirit. Don't let anybody deceive you, say, when you're common sense and one on one. Don't let anybody deceive you, say, a spirit be anywhere. May say, there are manipulations. Now, may become a story. When I stop being religion, no, and I'm common sense, you know, and I'm using common sense, you know, and I need to go way forward. I need to go up. That is when I saw spirituality. And spirituality, I couldn't make a better say, a science. And when we are speaking about spirituality, master, you need a guidance. Common sense is not giving you any shit because common sense, you know, you can't protect yourself with common sense. And I'm stating practically, Abraham Ben Moshe, the program, I am a common sense member and I need to speak the truth. Me say, Abraham Ben Moshe was doing his show on Kumasi no metiebi. You busa the question, obi busa the question say, onimu say spirit ewo honom. Na say onya problems spirituality. How is he going to what solve that problem? Jania your boss eka kire say, you are manfo a yede sa achade no ama wo. And if you are facing problems spiritually, go and seek for those people. And not per se or no, your boss catch there and say, or both for Beatrice Michiao, your catch there and say, after common sense, there are things that the common sense cannot do. There are things that the spirituality can only solve it.
Because someone you are a confu, Momo Chidium Beta Abraham Chisenka, Omungu Christosom. And Omo said, I told Abraham, I say, I told I know I say. It also move video no to be counteracted. So that
so be more bright by Ginetti. I catch them. So be more bright by Ginetti. I catch them. So be more bright by Ginetti. No, Miss Sonia sees a food year, Timatam, Ratina Popo. No, Miss Sonia sees a food year, Timatam, Ratina Popo. No, Miss Sonia sees a food year, Timatam, Ratina Popo. And woman.
And why is a challenge and Abraham bet now social media and will be a kunku of tight. Sika would do no Abraham no dear kunku. Some would be TV Ghana for because when we say scano or ye be send your beya, or the man perform sika wom, my capre granny. It's a boot tricker. And a barbon chain, and a vacancy between TV.
And no, I'm Abraham and Timon, Cassandra Thomas, and never Sass who go when Abraham Jammer. And no, you will see us of me out to honor. Walk around and get some castle, Thomas. And no, that was why not for Abraham, Abraham myself. Why not for Abraham? Abraham, you don't know what you will be at one. When I'm a friend, who said, we are serious of war. I tell I'm a friend, hey, no, it is so good trick at the end game. And now Abraham, sorry, the piano, the piano of a family, Rassam, the piano, question the kitchen, Abraham of Fancobo. Meet me a pocket, or than what car or there at down one. Question the kitchen, Abraham of Fancobo form. One country who said, so a name of good trick and Cassa and near the Pia that ya, Omomipia. Omomipia, Okumi. Someone to Mona Namutia. My bro, my bread. Yeah, damage control, check me some. Adia, damage control back 1 million. And a conco, me some, say, Cochano Coe. Free, yes, I will show Cocham for and I see, and I'm in Saha, and a conco, well, because Adia me and a new me. We do something to help Abraham. If Abraham is not prepared, a man will catch there, say, I won't friend on our name. When they catch your head, anybody who will call Abraham for Abraham to pick is somebody who is going to give something. When you are calling Abraham if you are calling Abraham to tell Abraham a good thing, Abraham will never pick your call. Me am come from. Musari am say I some buy, I then am friend, I then am casa, na mo ba beka. How many calls am I for Abraham? When I some buy senior, me pesa some be bad one thing. Or ya be bra. One na bra no the movement why then. Aba be do theatre. Me pesa na so ba be ka bi na ida ku na nimas. Eti me bia na ma ye me bia na ma ye me fra Abraham bra ka kire Abraham say, oh Abraham me slow ma me ne won po yan kasa me carry how on show me ne serious of me bia who I want problem me ne play black any problem. I love him as my brother. I love Yehuda, I love Coach, I love Seto, I love everybody in CSF. I love them because they are humans. Stop hypocrisy. Stop it. Stop it! What do you make us? One like one casa and Penifona won't want to know. Or one got to make us say, oh, again, one more to make coming into Abraham. That's what to make coming into Abraham. Oh, can't never do the movement to buy it. Why not do movement to buy it? Fight. Because really, Abraham saw the make a sire. One come here. So about me, you don't know what catch now. And I say, me just sorry, me phone. Come in video, but I mean no. Me sorry, see some good team at time round, but in a couple. Oh, hey, the woman, a woman, a boy to terminate, a boy to terminate, a boy at a temporana, a boy at a temporana, a boy at a temporana, a woman, a boy, Penica, some banner, who is in the party. Penica, someone, no one is in the party. Say, someone you're beautiful. Mother went to Bushu. Yana, Musa, Yana, why would you see us from here? Was sending video, Papa.
Elzavo, a Kobeni. Oh, now is it? And some bassa was only after when you be. A honey wiki me no mameza mobi. A honey wiki me beer.